This 1863 Springfield muzzleloader, although really cool, was a huge fuck up. Let's talk about it. So supposedly this came from a customer's grandfather from the Civil War. Now this customer, if you guys remember, I made a video about it. The Pawn Stars were in town and I got a ticket to like go see them, and I was like in the room with them. I didn't get to do a deal with them because I brought the North Korean stuff and they didn't want that, but I was slyly handing my business card to everybody they made a deal with, being like, oh, they offered you $350, come see me, I'll give you $375. I'm amazed they didn't kick me out. So one of the people I gave my business card to came with a bunch of stuff, and he had this rifle. I don't do guns, modern guns. That's anything after 1898, anything before outside of a Gatling gun I can do. I've only bought one gun. It was very successful. It was a pistol. You guys might remember it from earlier this year. I made about $3,000 on that. So this is an original muzzle loader, and then it comes with the original saddle from the 1800s, and I thought, wow. I started trying to look it up. I don't know. And he said 1,000. I thought, well, shit, I paid $800 on the last one and made all that money. Okay, why not? Unfortunately, because I am learning and I didn't know what to look for, I didn't know this gun had been modded. So when I buy these guns, I take it to get appraised by an expert here in Minnesota, and that's what it's worth, $500 to $700, because it has been modded. Apparently, of these Springfield muzzle loaders, approximately half of them on the market were converted to either trapdoors or shotguns, and if you mod a gun, it's like modding a classic car. It just ruins the value, and I didn't know that, so basically, I paid a lot of money to learn a lesson about guns. I can't put this on my Shopify store, but this weapon is available. I'd like to get close to the high end just to minimize the losses that I'm having here. You know, it sucks, but I paid a lesson and I learned something. Hopefully I don't make that mistake again. Hopefully you learned something too, because if that's the case, then it was worth every penny. Like and follow Pawn Man for more.